buddy! Okay, today, pag-uusapan natin ngayon is life insurance, myths versus reality. So, ready na ba lahat? Let's go! So, myth number 1, life insurance is too expensive. Grabe, ang mahal daw ng life insurance. Ang reality, life insurance is more affordable than you think. Meron ngang mga policy plan na kasing halaga lang siya ng fast food meal. And you can find a policy that can fit your budget. Ang sulit nun, di ba? Nice. Alright, number 2, only breadwinners need life insurance. Para lang sa breadwinner yan. Reality, anyone can benefit from life insurance. Life insurance is for everyone, kahit single ka o bagong kasal. It helps protect your future and your loved ones. Number 3, I'm too young for life insurance. Bata pa ako, di ko kailangan yan. Reality, the younger you are, the lower the premiums. Earlier you start, the more you save. Plus, you lock in the lower rate habang bata ka pa. Myth number 4, life insurance is only for after you die. Ako, pampatay lang yan. In reality, it can benefit you while you're alive. Yeah, some policies offer living benefits like emergency fund, retirement fund, and even cash payout. So it's more than just a protection. It's an investment for your future. Alright, so our last myth number 5, it's too complicated to understand. Okay. Nakakalito yan, hindi ko maintindihan. Well, in reality, it's simple with the right advisor. So with the right guidance, it's easy to understand. And of course, nandito ako to help you every step of the way. Hi, Jeff here, your financial buddy. Now that you know the reality, it's time to take action. If you have more question or need information, send me a message. Let's secure your future together. Bye! See you!